this is the firing test for the Stinger shotgun. I will not be firing as far down range as last time with the sniper rifle because of the fact that it is very close quarters. I will be aiming over here at this shed and these two trees right there. Now, this is a very low grade shotgun. It only fires single shots, so it's less likely to actually hit some, but it's actually a very close target, so I should be fine. I am using low density 12 grams because it is a lower grade, and let's just see and find out. Alright, now, every shot that I fired virtually hit. I couldn't say it hit exactly where I was aiming, but it did hit very close. Now, this shotgun, I usually use this for this feature that I'm about to show you. I call it the spray and pray, but it actually has a feature, name for it. I forget what it's called, but I will be demonstrating it for you. I just have to reload my clip because this will really pop off rounds and I need some ammo. Alright. Now this feature right here, you just keep pumping and you hold in the trigger, and as you hold in the trigger, every time you pump a BB will come out. So basically, I'll show you what it is. That's basically the feature. Not very accurate, but it does work when you're at very close quarters. This is the Stinger shotgun firing test. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with more videos later.